Today, we are diving into a massive game changer for digital FPV pilots, the CADDXFPV Walksnail Ascent HD Digital FPV Goggles. If you've been looking to ditch analog and step up your flying game without breaking the bank, this budget-friendly digital system is going to blow you away. Right off the bat, you are looking at a massive, ultra-crisp 4.5-inch 1080p screen pushing a butter-smooth 60 frames per second. The level of immersion here is absolutely stellar, giving you a beautiful wide-angle view with zero edge distortion to make you feel like you are truly sitting in the cockpit. But how does it handle in the air? These goggles utilize a highly stable 5.8 GHz digital transmission system that delivers an incredible range of up to 4 kilometers. Pair that with a lightning-fast, ultra-low latency of just 32 milliseconds, and you get near-instantaneous response times for precise, high-speed maneuvers and confident tight lines. You can also record every single flip, power loop, and close call in high definition with the built-in DVR, which supports up to a massive 256GB SD card. It is important to note that these goggles are designed specifically for the Ascent system, making them the perfect, streamlined match for your Ascent setup. If you are ready to experience crystal-clear HD flight with a rock-solid connection, click the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching, hit that like button, subscribe for more drone gear reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.